Hi students, this is week 11, Design and Drafting 2 class. So this topic is CAS Practice 2. So I'm going to show you a quick outline. So for this class, you will need to read this book chapter. So page 175 to 196. And these are three topics for tonight. So these are learning objectives for yours. So first of all, you need to design a fidget spinner. This is a very fun activity. So using sketch and procedures that I'm providing. So also this procedure is provided by your textbook. So you can refer to my video or your textbook. And then the second object is I'm going to introduce the assembly feature in Fusion 360. So assembly means you can just assemble multiple components or multiple bodies into a new design. So I'm going to show you this method with this design, door hinge. So this is your second module. And then third module is you designing a planetary gear. So we designed many gears before, but that is not 100% accurate because to design a gear, you need to define the specific size of the gear. So, we can use third-party components gears in Fusion 360. So I'm going to introduce you how to import the gears into your model. So this is module 1, fidget spinner. So we are designing this one as a module 1. So this is not much difficult. So we will use the techniques and skills that you have learned so far. So that's much easier. So um, the first step is sketch the spinner body. So this is spinner body, and we will design this one together. So I copied the step-by-step in this presentation. So I'm going to move to my Fusion 360, and then I will follow this procedures video. So you can refer to my presentation files or this video. Okay. So to design this model, so I'm gonna step by step. So first of all, I will draw this a circle and this circle, and then make offset, and then I'm gonna copy this object, two more objects by using circular patterns. So for two modules, and then finally I will add arcs, and then also copy using circular patterns. So first of all, you will need to draw two ball bearing, the circle. So I'm going to draw this object on Fusion 360. So I'm going to add new sketch and draw on XY plane. So let's draw two circles. So first one is 20 to 1 millimeter. Let's zoom up a little bit. And then I'm going to draw the second circle. So this is a tip. So in Fusion 360, if you move your mouse from a specific point or geometry, and slowly move your mouse, and do you see the guideline? So these are reference line. So let's do this again. From the center, if you move your mouse straight to the right, you will see the reference line. So that means that is vertically aligned. So you can just move your mouse from the center of the circle, and then draw a second circle that is 20, diameter is 20.36. Okay. And then, so the distance from the first and second circle was 30 millimeters. So I'm going to add sketch dimension, or you can use a shortcut key. Just on keyboard, type D, see the mouse. So you can click the first circle and then second circle, and then drag your mouse, and you can type 30. and then automatically adjust the distance. All right. So, and then I'm going to use offset. So offset, and then each circle, so offset 3 millimeter to the outside. Okay. 3 millimeter, the first one, and then second object, second circle, also 3 millimeter. All right, so we created 2 circles, and then the next step is carving the outer spinners. Okay, so I'm going to use circular pattern. Okay, click circular pattern, and then okay, I'm just use circular pattern dialog. The object I'm going to copy is this object, and inside and outside 2 circles, and then circular point is this circle. Okay, and then quantity is 3, so you can change the 3 quantity, and then click, you copied this 2 more circles. Okay, and I'm going to add arc to connect these outer circles. Okay, so go to arc and then select 3-point arc. So 3-point arc is creating arc based on, well, first click, second click, and third click. This is the 3-point arc. So I'm going to draw a 3-point circle, a little bit zoom up, and the arc connect this circle with this circle, and then meet with this inside center circle. Okay, click, and you're done. If you click more, so you can find the tangent point, so you can just a little bit adjust to not duplicate, to not override the another circle. So second one, yeah, this looks good. So, and then you should see this tangent constraint. So that means this arc meets with this one. Okay, so that's automatically appear this tangent constraint. So once you created, so you're good to go. So you can copy this arc to this here and then here. So I'm going to use a circular pattern one more time. And then object is this arc, and then center point is this arc, this circle, and then 3 quantity, and click. All right, we good. So we created this sketch, right? You can compare this with my sketch, and then you can just finish your sketch. And I'm going to extrude the object. So let me take a look at my design real quick. So like this. So this is our design. So I'm going to select extrude, and you see this dialog and the profile, and select this one, and then you can select the multiple profile here. Select this one, this one, this one, oh, this one, right? So okay, so and then the extrude depth of this object is 7 millimeter. Okay, and you can click, and you can rotate. You see, you created, you done, you finished this object. All right, so to finish the object, I'm going to apply fillet 1 millimeter. So you can click this fillet, and then select this front, this edge of this top, select, and then just say 1 millimeter tangency weight, and you need all the area, all these edges, and just 1 millimeter, and okay. All right, and we need to repeat one more time. So rotate the back side, and then apply fillet. So 1 millimeter, error message. Okay, so let's apply all geometries and 1 millimeter and click. Yeah, we got the round smooth edge. Okay, so this is module 1. So once we created, we can apply, can create this spinner by inserting coins to the outer hole, and then inside we need to have a how can I say, a bearing, but we don't have bearing but at this moment. But you can just skip this model. So you can print out this model if you have 3D printer. So just you can print out this one. Okay, this is module 1. Thank you for watching my video.